Thanks for giving Jatter a try. We offer a lot of features and want you to be aware of the things you can do with the browser. Jatter is a full-featured web browser that you can use just as you would any browser. But it is private and fully encrypted. All of your data stays private and no one except you can see it. This first video is about what you can do with chats. You can ask about anything, AI-related or simply general knowledge. The icons below indicate that this is encrypted, that you can share a link to the chat, that you can copy the chat, or that you can notify us of a problem. Clicking the chat icon takes you to a history of recent chats, allowing you to review all, or specific chats. You can also delete the chat from the right side of the screen. So give our encrypted chat function a try. We'll be sending other videos soon highlighting the other features Jatter offers. But don't hesitate to reach out and contact us at support@jatter.ai.